Good morning, friends. Hi, Darlene here from Super at 60. I'm so glad that you're here with me this morning because we are once again heading down to southwestern Virginia, and we have only one house to look at today. So it's going to be a drive down and a drive back all in one day. Pray for us. Pray for our backs. Yeah. It's going to be a marathon day, but it's going to be a good day. Yes, we're going to have a beautiful house to look at. And it has, like last time when I had those 4 houses, you guys were so wonderful and gave such honest opinions, and we truly appreciated it. Both myself and Lou as well. He's at Starbucks right now getting a drink and me a muffin. But, all right, so we're going to be hitting the trail here and just give us all the feedback you want. Whatever you think. You know, is it too much house? Is it just right? What do you think of the mountains? Just online, it's a gorgeous house, and we really both loved it. So we're hoping this is the one, but, you know, you never know. We don't want to be one step ahead of the Lord or one step behind the Lord. To those of you who may be new to Super at 60, I welcome you, and I just wanted to let you know that my husband and I are soon to be retiring, and we'll be leaving where we live now, and we have been looking for a house for, probably a year now, but most seriously, within the last 3 to 4 months, we took y'all on a trip, not too long ago, maybe, and looked at about 4 houses, and you gave us such great feedback, so we thought we'd take you again along today. So those of you who are new, just pop right in there and give us a whole bunch of your comments. And here we are at this most magnificent farm. Gosh, I think we have 20 acres here. And I'm just kind of taking some shots of the outside property before we get into the house. I'm standing in the driveway looking up towards the house, and there are some what they call outbuildings. Now, I'm a city girl, I'm a suburban girl, so I know what an outhouse is, but I wasn't quite sure what an outbuilding was, but we know what they are now. They are just, places of storage, I guess. And here we have, this is kind of their front yard, and then there's another bigger part of their front yard where I guess you could actually put horses. And I think maybe they did at one point, like right out here. Yeah. Oh, and there's that mountain. I forget the name of that mountain. And so here we go. Here is the first outbuilding, and that's a good size one right there. There's a smaller size one, and then you can see Lou walking up to a smaller one there. He's just going to peek in the window. But look at the beautiful trees that are on this property. They are everywhere. Bushes and trees and lovely flowering things. I mean, somebody really, really has a green thumb, whoever lives in this house. And here is the house. It is just, it's so quaint. It's so cute. It is all on one level. However, there is a basement. And I will show you that as well. Let's take a walk around the corner before we go inside. Just take another peek at the property. It was such a gloriously lovely, warm and sunny day. Just perfect. If you walk up just this little tiny decking area here, I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of something that I just fell in love with immediately. You all are going to know exactly what it is. And there it is, just sparkling in the sunlight. It was so beautiful. It just honestly, and looking out at that property, and some of that property belongs to the house. It doesn't stop there at those fences. Oh my goodness, where the sky meets the mountains. It's just, it's quite a breathtaking view, really. Here's what they call the pool house with all the pool equipment. They have some chairs in there with some sliding glass doors if somebody wants to just take a seat in there and get out of the sun for a while. They even have an outdoor bathroom, which was really nice. I mean, it even had a shower in it and everything. All right, I'm coming in the front door, and the front door takes you right directly into the kitchen. And this is where my heart kind of went, I'm feeling a gut kitchen coming on, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. This was the dining room that was right next door. It's a good sized dining room. And then here's the master bedroom. Very disappointing, very small. It was just real small. And their furniture was massive. It was just huge. I don't know if that's even a queen size bed, to tell you the truth. I don't know. No walk-in closets, just like that. But they did have this sweet, sweet little deck that was just off the master bedroom all by itself. You just could go out there and have some coffee in the morning and, catch up on the news or whatever you want to do. And or just leave it open, like on a beautiful fall evening. That's what I'd like. Now, here's where it gets weird. I just got to tell you straight up. You think you're going into this glorious master bathroom, and it's a laundry room. Well, okay, I could get over that. You got your washer, your dryer. It's very convenient. You got some dirty clothes. You throw them in there, and that's just fine. But however, it's also a toilet. Open the door, and this is kind of like one of those Jack and Jill situations. Because remember, there were those other bedrooms. You have one sink. There was a shower and a bath that we just passed here. I'm not sure I got that in the shot or not. And then, back down to the end here, and we cross the hall, and there's a little itty bitty tiny den. It had tons of family photos, so I did not even show them. Here's the bedrooms. I wanted to show you the bedrooms here that we share that bathroom with. That is not a private master bedroom bath. It is to be shared, which, it's kind of, I don't know. I didn't really care for that. So in order to get to this blue bedroom, you had to go through that yellow bedroom I just showed you. And here's what's really weird. This door, you think, well, I'll just go out there and open the door. Nope, don't open that door, because you're going to end up in the bushes, because there's no porch, there's no stoop, there's no deck, there's nothing. It was just weird. And here's the only living room in the whole house, so that's where everybody would gather at holidays. A nice little gazebo type, glassed in. I think that's that's all year round glassed in porch there. And then I will show you also the front porch, which I thought was just lovely. I could see myself sitting out there, bright and sunny. I love the stone of the front of the house, beautiful front door, very inviting. She had it decorated very lovely. Now let's get back to the kitchen for just a second. This just caught my eye so weird. I just thought, what the heck were they thinking? It looks like a bar, but it really isn't. I really don't know what it is. If I were going to buy this house, I would gut it completely, this little area here, and I would rebuild a beautiful state-of-the-art walk-in pantry. And I'd keep a little sink in there like they have, but I think I can make that work very, very lovely. And then there was one last bedroom, which was kind of like on the other side of the house behind the kitchen. And this would be it's a small room, but it'd be a wonderful guest room, because it's kind of private back there, and it does have its own bathroom on that side. And again, it has that beautiful, beautiful view of the mountains and the pool and everything. And then you can just go sit out on the deck if you wanted to. Yeah, I wouldn't mind staying in a guest bedroom like that. I think that would be pretty darn special. So yeah, that door right there leads into the garage, not the kitchen like you might think. But the garage, yeah. And that's fine. I had no trouble with that at all. And here's my little friend. What a special little treat. I got to meet this nice little friend here, this sweet little bird. He was so cute. But yeah, this is the best part. We're in the basement right now. And I was not, capital N-O-T, not impressed. The flooring was awful. The ceiling was awful. The color on the walls was awful. It was like built just for storage. And it was big. It just went on and on and on. I didn't even tape it all. Just stepped outside for a few minutes. It's warm in the house. I have mixed feelings. This is terribly difficult. It really, really is. Because I'm sitting out here on their beautiful little patio, and this is my view. Yep, that's what I'm looking at right here, right now. And if I were to stand up and go right over to that little decking area, I would be looking over that beautiful crystal blue water. I just don't know what to do. There's another big mountain over that way. I don't know why those screen doors are like that. I need to find out what that is right there, or what they were thinking. Because there's no screen doors or glass doors anywhere else on this little porch, but then right there's a sliding door set and a door itself. So I'm not sure. Oh, I just don't know. I just don't know. Looks like a beautiful, beautiful garden area here in this greenhouse. My goodness. My goodness. Oh, she's got some tomatoes going. Oh, look, they're all raised beds, stone raised beds. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that one. Oh, I should take that one home. No, I'm not going to take it home. But oh, look at all these. You could have like vegetable gardens and, flower picking gardens. And look at this. Oh, looks like it might need a little bit of painting or sprucing up, I guess. Little arbor. Oh, there's a horse over there right next door. Look at that beautiful barn. It's gorgeous. Just beautiful. See if I can get him to come over here. Do horses eat tomatoes? Horsey! Oh, hi! Come here! Come on. No, sorry. Sorry, I don't think horses like me much. All right, so you come inside. Nice door here. Oh, look, she got some music to play. Now that would be pretty, but look, what is all this? Somebody tell me what all this is. That black. Is that mold? Or what? Tell me what that is. I don't know what that is. That scares me because I want to see a little bit of it on this side, but not too much. I don't know. I mean, a lot of water in here, I guess, because they're already squirting and stuff. Fan in here, and some overhead lights. Drain. It's really, really nice. Look at these tables. These are great. All those buckets. Well, let's see what's out on this side. That's the road out there to the other side. It's just a very peaceful, quiet little spot out here. It's got the American flag flying. I like to see that. There's more mountain shots. More flowers. Yeah, I would do that. I think I would absolutely do some veggie and some, flowers that you could just come out and pick and just keep vases full all summer long. All right, well, that pretty much sums up the tour of this house. Oh, look at that. That just caught my eye, that little gazebo. Doesn't look like it's in too good a shape. That might have to come down. But what a great idea to go in there, with a cool glass of iced tea after you've been out in the garden all day. I think that's a really, really sweet idea. There's some old gates. That'd be fun to do something with. Yeah, this was a pretty fun area, I have to say. It's that time of year where you have to pick all the stuff out, get rid of the tomato plants and all that stuff. But it was beautiful, to say the least. We stopped at this little place on the way home, and I tried on this sweet little hat. It said, "I heart Jesus," and in rhinestones and in denim. And I wanted that hat. Darn it. I'm mad at myself that I didn't buy it, but oh well. Well, I want to thank you all so much for coming along with us, and I hope that you'll give us all the comments that you can down below, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.